Yeah, Gaza Nation. Right about now, the thing get turned up a certain type of way, but hear me. Mr. CV Zane claim say a Gaza vlogger them I put up skillibeng against alkaline. And him claim say him approve it to some drug strap sniffing fan boys them. So him claim him a put up around 12 video a Gaza vlogger them I put up skillibeng against alkaline. So the guy put up my video in a film video Gaza Nation. I never know him watch 10 Star. What do you mean? Oh, him finna watch 10 Star and you're the most electrified man on YouTube entertainment business. Anyway, I'm not violate. I'm going to reason this thing out properly, naturally, actually, and fracturally. How many times when I hear me come on YouTube and tell the people them say me is not a vlogger? CV, listen to me now, listen to me good. Don't ever try style me out of my character, you hear me? Me is a revolutionist for Gaza with my mouth on YouTube international business. Don't ever forget that, you hear me? I said to you, yeah man, the blogging thing we are talking about, me not do that. You know, see what I do different. Eh? It's hard for you to recognize that. Eh? Anywhere. Hear me now, Gaza Nation. At the world, it's not a plan. Watch what I go on, you know? Carefully, you know. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. You don't know what go. When I load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about you. Oh, you mean? Are the people's champion. What? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation. I never know them watch 10 Star. No wonder why my video, them when they don't hear, me I rebel sometime and I tell you, know, say yo, when I think I take all an hour for notarize and more, that mean, you see, where the look unscrupulous thing I go on from. So you post up my video and want to say, I put up skillibeng against alkaline. I want to claim alkaline a bigger artist than skillibeng because when you claim say the song where him and French Montana do, you claim how much platinum. Let me tell you something, man. You can only reason with fanatic that way, man. A French Montana album got platinum. Alkaline got blood clot platinum and Google and know that. You hear that? Because when you ask Google who is alkaline, they make you know that bumbo clot. You see what I say? And when you ask Google who is dance, and they say to Google dancehall, it show your vybz blood clot kartel. Can you imagine that? Eh? Eh? What kind of blood clot platinum himself? Eh? You can't tell men and people that French Montana album got blood clot platinum in a certain country. Where you want to say? Alkaline got platinum. Tell him for sure with the blood clot platinum. Because that my ask you. That my ask you know. Because you show off. And a boss, I want to put on skillibeng. And all I look for you and I couldn't know. Show man him result for him Spotify numbers. And to me say that, you post up video and I tell me, but I talk about Gaza blogger I put up skillibeng against alkaline, and alkaline a big artist and a this them a disrespect. The way the bumbleclot una do and put up alkaline against bumbleclot vybz kartel. What need that do? That's all you see one have to point out that in a song and say alkaline I follow the whole I take a live in a vybz kartel shadow. It wasn't you that do that song there? Eh? It wasn't you that, so what? A lie you did that tell them time there? Or you that imagine something? What changed? Eh? Remember you know, come out in a big time and make people know that you know.
Hey,
watch. What yoy? You come out in a big time, you know. Tell the people them, you know. What yoy? What yoy? What yoy? Say alkaline, you know. Live in a vybz kartel shadow, you know. So tell me how I go on now. I lie you that tell? Eh? Talk to you know. Make we know. Because we put him up against vybz kartel and now we don't like the fact that skillibeng I go on with bigger things than him in his career, and people point out that I don't claim say people are put up skillibeng against him. And watch you now. Yeah. 2 sugar, milk, mucho caliente, hear that? Woy! Woy! Hear the thing what I don't like with you now. Hear the thing what I don't like with your youth. Right about now. Then, you come out, then, and I tell the people, and then, you have a girl. I think she do some form of vlogging thing, because I never go call her name, because I'm not too into them things, I'm not in an argument with the woman. But hear me, now show you what I ever read about you as a man, different from where you are say and me are say. Because me are say Gaza, you know. You are say vendetta, you know. I don't know if you're serious with what you do or you just do that for a clown. Because when I just know you're Gaza, you just say, I know you switch to vendetta. I may not deal with people who switch, because if you do it already, you will do it again. You sleep and mark get some death, some sister you shake it. So I'm not too into them shit there. But me and you go in on a physical application just because you say vendetta and me say Gaza. Because I don't work them way there. Real man no roll them way there. If real man have disagreement, them reason out that as a real man. Real man not have argument or disagreement and one who ain't gone for gun and the next one who ain't gone for gun, or a man I say go suck your mother, or man a weak man do that. You see me? Bitch ass nigga do them shit there. You see me? Real man not do them shit there. Real man hold a real conversation, and even if you the both away have different opinion, we still walk away as a man said way. That's what real man do. But let me tell you something why I not even have you as a real man. You have the girl by your calling program, then, and have her a disrespect skillibeng in the wickedest way, because here we share disrespect. She not disrespect the youth music, you know, when skillibeng is a dancehall artist, you know, and at that we did it upon social media talk about, you know, and music we deal with, you know. You see what I say? Here we have her upon the program, I do. I disrespect the man image. Yo, and a skillibeng make himself, you know. You know what I mean? And for you, you know, as a girl, you know, my virgin, I disrespect a man image like that, you know. That means, I don't know if you have no pitney, you know. Because a woman when I have no pitney, they ever care less, you know. Them they ever look on them shit there, you know. Yo, let me tell you something. Nobody know talk about no image bomb buckler business right, so, you know. Because if you got disrespect a man image, you know, I don't know how you like alkaline when him did put in black contact lens and put in blood clot extension and all bleach out and all kind of shit. If you say an image business, you deal with them. You know them thing that you like. You like fairy tales. Eh? Or you like the 69 guy from Blood Clot America, the rapper. Eh? Eh? You don't like all of them, right? You don't like Look Away and them. You don't like Kodak Black them. You don't like the whole of them man there. What wrong with your own blood clot Jamaican skillibeng girl? What? Because him not bleach out? Because the man no bleach out and tie and dye out and bumbo clot have on this bag of tattoo and extension and all. So you not do them things that you not like the youth. You disgrace, you try to disgrace the man image. Who the fuck you think you is? Eh? Who the fuck you think you is? Like seriously. And you know stop her. And make sure you know, so listen to me. And music we discuss on this bumbo clot, yeah. Not because you hear skillibeng say it's a universe. Una think say no bumbo clot muggling contest and no need to find them. And enough of uno girl a body boy a fucking you know. You see what I deal with? Because them thing don't worship, you know. You see me? A fairy tales on the worship, you know. What the fuck if you disrespect the man like that? A music we are talk about. What you mean you gone by the man, looks at all the man and I talk to the man some certain type of way? Who the fuck you think you is? Oh, so wanna believe? Wanna believe when girl go do the surgery, get a nice ass and get nice breast? You think that makes you a woman? No, I'm ask you if that makes you a woman, because she'd already born a woman without all of them surgery business there, you know. So I want to know if when she go do the surgery and them things, then she get her breast, she get her ass, if that make her a better woman. Hey girl, know what you doing, you know. Let me tell you something, you know, have something about you, you know. You see what I say? Enough of my joke thing, you know. The general, you know. The 10-star one. I represent. What?